Space Not here, and we're talking with words with CE Pro with Amir Seluk from Vitrea. Amir, thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me here.
Now, Vitrea's got a very unique home automation solution. Tell us about that as well as the company.
Okay. So Vitrea, we started it 7 years ago. We come originally from the telecom world. And when we were looking into new industries to go into with our expertise in telecom, we saw the home automation industry as very interesting. And we saw that residentials, apartments, homes, they still at that point didn't have, in our thoughts, the right products that fit their projects. Architects and interior designers couldn't choose how the switch on the wall would look like. And to do a retrofit project without having any cables or special wiring, at that time was very difficult. So when we looked at that industry, we decided to create a wireless home automation system that would be based on digital switches. And to create digital switches that would, except for being smart and enabling the client to control his home from wherever he wants, also we wanted to put a very special emphasis on design. And that's how we created the touch glass panels that we are known for today.
Yeah, so you talked about the technology. The design is what really blows me away. So talk a little bit more about that, what the touch panels will actually look like.
Okay, so the touch panels, the glass touch panels that we use today, we actually enable the architects or the clients to choose whatever glass panel they would like to have. When we have 5 standard glass panels like a gray, white, black, red, and cream, they can also be matte finish or glossy finish. We also have matching socket glass frames, so when it's by the bed you have a switch, and by a socket they all look the same. We also have thermostats for HVAC, so when you walk into a hotel room, the HVAC control unit and the switch and the socket, they will all look the same glass finish. They can also all be flush mounted. We can also have them custom engraved. So we enable our clients to engrave each and every button on the glass panel. We custom engrave them, print them for them, send them wherever they are, and have them install it.
Can you go through for us the particular products in the line? Mm-hmm. You've got the V-Touch Pro. What are the other lines?
So the V-Touch Pro is our best-selling system. That's the majority of our sales is V-Touch Pro. That's our wireless system. That's actually the system why we started Vitrea. With time, clients start coming to us because of design, because of technology, and because of the products which are robust. And we start developing more and more systems for different kinds of projects. So we developed the VMAX, which is very good for hospitality. It's a centralized control system, DIN rail controllers, with a variety of dimmers like forward and reverse phase dimmers, 0 to 10 and 1 to 10 dimmers. Again, the same touch glass panel keypads and thermostats. And we have all kinds of unique features for hotels, such as do not disturb and makeup room, keypads and switches, or ability to connect to the hotel management system, so at check-in or check-out, the room can turn on and off. Mm-hmm. And through the VMAX, we start going to hospitality. It's also popular in our residentials, but V-Touch Pro, it's our #1 for homes, apartments, retrofits, or projects that are being right now in the planning stages. Yeah. Plus MDUs, which recently became very popular. So we walk into an apartment building, we're doing like 100 or 200 apartments. We give the V-Touch Pro 4 or 5 switches in the common places of the home, in the living room, in the kitchen, in the entrance, with our V-Box controller, few scenes, and from there, the clients that purchase the apartment from the contractor or the developer can continue to upgrade the apartment very easily with no need for wires or cabling. What
is the wireless protocol that the system uses to communicate?
So our system, it works in a mesh network, 2.4 giga. However, as telecom people, at the time when we started developing the system, we didn't feel comfortable with all the protocols that are running around in the market. And we figured out that if we want a wireless smart home system to work just as a wired one, and to be able to press exit and have 500 commands going around in the house to 500 MAC addresses, getting back to that entrance and giving the feedback. In order to do that in the most reliable way, we had to create our own protocol. So our own protocol, we call it RNet. It's from the word arana, from spider web in Latin. So due to the reliability of our proprietary RNet protocol, the time that takes from the moment you press the button or scene, it happened, and you got back the feedback that this actually happened, is a few milliseconds.
So it sounds like you've combined the best of design with your glass touch panels, and you've got the best of technology with your own proprietary RNet wireless protocol. So how can an integrator find out more, and how can he buy the product?
Today, most of our Vitrea sales are in Europe and Israel. In the past couple of years, we had to produce all our products in the American version. So now we got them all in a single and double gang version, 110 version, and they all have UL and FCC. We are building our base, our US offices in Miami, Florida, and we will be shipping from there to the US.
My last question would be, you're building the offices here in the US, are you going to be selling through distribution or direct to dealers?
No. We decided to sell direct to dealers that understand electricity, that have passion for design, that work with architects, because our products, they're not DIY, they're made for complex projects. Right now we are building our US offices, and we're looking to work with high-end dealers and integrators, and through rep chains. So we are now looking for reps, dealers, integrators that are interested in partnering with us and taking these amazing products that are already successful in other parts of the world and making them a huge success in the United States too. And that's our main goal for the next few years.
Well, Amir, Seluk, thanks for joining us. It's amazing technology. You said you had the right word there when you said amazing technology and design. So thanks for joining us on Talking with Words.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.